Hi everybody, check out these beautiful flowers. Just wanted to show you the black beans my daughter planted, and if you can tell, they're all ready to be picked. Right there. See all the little pods full of beans ready to be harvested. She let them dry so that you can get them dry. But just so you can see how simple it is. You can just take a bean and plant it, and then a few weeks later you have yourself a bean harvest. And like I said, those were planted by my daughter. And then here I'm going to show you my Chinese cabbage. Look at this, how beautiful. Look how big it is. Got another one here, another one here, and a smaller one coming up here. And the sweet potato vine is kind of running wild here as well. So anyway guys, it's not that hard. You can just try, experiment with different things, and you can grow a lot of food. Any little corner you got in your yard, you can just grow a lot of food. And oh look, check this out. I got my onions here growing, and my carrots. Actually, you can already see. You can see here through the top. You can see the carrot heads right there. So it's done quite well this year. Had a lot of production. Had lettuce and kale and all sorts of things that I've been growing this year. Haven't had any issues with any pests. Everything's going really well. Doing good this year. And I've been very busy, so I haven't really had time to look after everything so well, but it's still been really good. Haven't had to devote too much time to it, but it's given me a good, plentiful harvest. I mean, gotten a bunch of tomatoes, gotten a bunch of lettuce, all sorts of things with minimal effort. Hope you enjoyed the video.